loquats are in season, the villager gently picks the ripe golden fruits and removes the stems before rinsing them clean. The loquat leaves are also washed and set aside. Crushed fritillaria bulbs, Chuanbei, are added to a pot with loquat leaves and simmered to extract a fragrant medicinal base. Meanwhile, the juicy loquats are mashed and soaked in water to loosen the flesh from the seeds. The mixture is then strained to yield a rich, dark loquat juice. This juice is poured into the Chuanbei decoction and brought to a gentle boil. Slowly, the mixture thickens into a syrup, sweet, herbal, and soothing. Poured into jars, this golden blend becomes Chuanbei loquat syrup, a traditional Chinese remedy known to ease coughs and clear phlegm.